In hot dip galvanizing, controlled heating of the kettle is critical. When heating from ambient temperature to 450 degrees Celsius, the temperature difference between the side walls and the base must not exceed 100 degrees Celsius to avoid thermal stress. During heating, uniform temperature distribution must be maintained. The inside kettle wall temperature must never exceed 480 degrees Celsius. Also, the temperature variation along the inner wall must stay within 100 degrees Celsius, and the temperature difference through the wall thickness must be below 50 degrees Celsius. Temperature has a major impact on kettle life. At 480 degrees Celsius, kettle life is about 6 years. At 490 degrees Celsius, it reduces to 4.3 years, and at 495 degrees Celsius, about 2.9 years. But at 500 degrees Celsius, kettle life drops dramatically to around 20 days, and at 510 degrees Celsius, only 18 days. Kettle life also depends on steel grade, internal surface condition, construction quality, and production throughput. Therefore, a galvanizing furnace must ensure uniform heating, minimum external temperature differences, and most importantly, the inside kettle wall temperature must always remain below 480 degrees Celsius. Precision in operation means performance, safety, and long-term savings.